Nagsinungaling. He doesn't know how to laugh.
It's okay, it's okay.
Kuya, sorry, you can't give him secret tasks.
Hindi talaga ako marunong sinungaling. Hirap. Pero walang secret task. May secret task, baka ako mag-quit nun.
Hindi secret task. Ano lang, ano pinag-usapan?
Bawal daw sabihin.
Bawal daw sabihin. Mayroon pa.
You're so cute.
Pero ano?
I wish I had a little brother like Miguel.
Gusto niya,
Brother mo ako.
Oh, I know, but I mean like...
Turing mo na akong brother mo.
Yeah, now you're my brother. Thank you.
Brother tayo.
But you're so big. You're supposed to be smaller
Di
than
may brother kami din. Di ba?
Okay.
he's Big L.
Yeah.
Big L mo. Big L.
And with blue eyes, same blue eyes. No, he has lighter blue eyes. Still, we have blue eyes. You have brown eyes.
Siya,
Light brown. No, mine are dark.
Eh, paano si Tin?
Yours are lighter.
brown.
Yours are really dark.
Dark brown. It's like this.
Yours?
No,
No.
darker than this.
Yeah, yours. What's mine?
In between her, hers and hers.
Really?
Talaga.
Talaga?
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 Saan si talaga? Ano si Pauline Carlo?
Ano na, tatatata.